Another morning, same empty routine. Wake up, scroll, waste time, repeat. I had dreams in my head, but zero energy to chase them. I was addicted to distraction. Entertainment became my prison. Everyone looked successful except me. That comparison destroyed my confidence. Then one painful thought changed everything. What if I stay like this forever? I finally got tired of excuses. So I took the first step. My body wanted to quit instantly, but I kept pushing anyway. Instead of wasting hours scrolling, I started learning valuable skills. Discipline slowly became my identity, and my life started changing. The progress was small at first, but small wins changed my entire future. I realized distraction was stealing my future, so I cut it off completely. Growth felt lonely sometimes, but staying weak felt worse. Every workout tested my limits, and every rep built my mindset. I stopped chasing quick money and started building real skills. I had to sacrifice comfort and distractions to create a better future. My first attempt completely failed, but failure taught me more than comfort ever did. I failed, but I didn't stop. That decision changed everything. Success didn't come from motivation, it came from consistency. For the first time in years, I finally respected myself. My first real payment felt unreal. All the struggle finally meant something. I became addicted to improving myself, and my mindset completely changed. Late nights became normal for me because average life scared me more. People laughed when I started changing. Now they ask how I did it. My routine became my superpower. Small habits created big results. The biggest transformation wasn't physical. It happened inside my mind. I stopped waiting to feel motivated. I trained myself to stay disciplined. Then bigger opportunities started appearing because I was finally prepared. The insecure version of me disappeared slowly, and confidence replaced fear. My habits changed my lifestyle completely, and success finally felt real. I didn't just change my income, I changed who I was. Growth came with sacrifices. Not everyone stayed in my life. I stopped training for motivation. I trained because discipline became normal. Focus became my biggest advantage, while others got distracted. Some days doubt came back hard, but quitting was no longer an option. Pain stopped scaring me because struggle made me stronger. The money finally started growing fast, but my mindset mattered more. People started asking for my advice because they saw the transformation. My standards became higher, and average no longer satisfied me. I barely recognized the old version of me. That weak mindset was gone. I stopped chasing motivation forever and became completely unstoppable. I stopped needing validation from others. My confidence became silent. Every single day mattered now because consistency creates freedom. Real discipline starts in the mind before it appears in your life. Pressure used to break me. Now it builds me stronger. My body reflected my discipline now, and my confidence exploded. New opportunities kept appearing because I became valuable. There was no going back anymore. I already changed too much. The respect I wanted finally arrived, but I earned it through pain. The best reward wasn't money, it was peace inside my mind. The lazy version of me disappeared forever, and a stronger man was born.